You know, I've really loved my Greenworks lawnmower for about the last year and a half. It's done a great job for me. You know, it's a 60 volt, just like this new one right here. I can sit there and mow 4 or 5 passes over my lawn over the next few weeks, and you know something? I'm good to go. Didn't even have to swap out the battery. So when they're coming out with a new one, I'm like, what else can you do to a lawnmower? You're gonna be surprised by this one. This is the new 60 volt version 2 of their lawnmower. Starts out with their high capacity battery. This thing, absolutely stunning. And you know something? When it goes in, you're good to go. No gas needed. What did they do to improve it? It takes a second one. So now you can double your run time. What I like about that is it even gives you its own little meter. So when you're running the lawnmower, you can see what battery you're on, what the whole settings are. So you can see, wow, I've got 2 bars on this one, but I'm good on the next one. You're good to go for the rest of the afternoon until you're done, well, maybe with that beer in your hand. Now this thing even comes with headlights on the front of it. Who puts headlights on a lawnmower? You know why you can do that? It's so quiet, you're not gonna keep your neighbors up while you're doing it. Like any garage, storage is a premium. You can never have enough power tools, right? Now here's the thing. You can save 70% of the space by folding the handle down and popping it up on end. That way, you can fit more tools in the toolbox. This thing's gonna knock your lawn out and make it look good, and that way, you got the best looking lawn in the neighborhood.